Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll need a secured lock type and your PIN or fingerprint. First, unlock the phone and open settings, then tap lock screen. This is where Samsung puts the timeout controls. Make sure you set a PIN or pattern if you haven't already. Once done, proceed to secure lock settings to change automatic locking behavior. I'm telling you this now so you don't get stuck. Without a screen lock, the timeout options remain hidden, so set that before moving on. You'll authenticate to access secure lock settings, enter your PIN or use biometric unlock. Once inside, locate automatically lock, sometimes labeled auto lock, and tap it to reveal the delay choices. Choose a longer delay. Options typically include 30 seconds, 1 minute, 5 minutes, and up to 30 minutes on some models. Make your selection and confirm. This changes how long the device waits after the screen turns off before requiring your... After choosing the delay, press the power button to turn the screen off and then wake it to verify the new lock timing. If you don't see longer delay options, make sure you actually set a secure lock type. None of these controls show without it. If options remain hidden, restart the phone and check for One UI updates. Sometimes software versions or carrier builds hide secure lock settings. If problems persist, the single workaround is to use a lock-enabled screensaver or third-party app. But first try the restart and update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.